This is an over-engineered fidget knife, and that is the name the original designer's actually given it. Link in the description below if you want to go check it out and print this yourself. You're going to need some good filament and you're going to need some good accuracy for this to work. And I've made a whole bunch of them because I did a previous video on these and they were just kind of awesome. And I decided to do, because my dad's birthday's coming up, I decided to make one for him and his friends. So the plan here is to put them together and of course hand them out to him and his friends at his birthday bash. And these are just cool. They're really nice little fidget toys. They work incredibly well. And even though I put them together with all plastic parts with a plastic spring, they feel like they've got some metal in them. It's cool. It really feels like there must be a metal spring in there. Now, the plastic spring will eventually go off, but they're great. I do recommend if you're doing this, use really good quality filament. And you're going to need a really good quality printer with good adhesion to get all the stuff printed correctly. And then you do need to clean up all the parts. And I recommend a little bit of oil as well. Otherwise, some stuff can get stuck. They're not perfect, but a little bit of oil helps them move pretty well. And yeah, these things are so freaking cool. So great work by the original designer here.